Dave runs his own business and he leases his car to minimize his business capital use. This means that his money can work towards growing his business instead. With contract hire, he can rent 1, 5 or 30 vehicles as his business expands. He doesn't have to worry about hidden costs associated with car ownership, and maintenance and road tax costs can be covered in his rental contract. So how does it work? Dave selects the vehicles he wants, and once he's agreed the annual mileage, he rents those vehicles for a period of 1 to 5 years. Dave agrees to take reasonable care of the vehicle while it's in his ownership, and at the end of the term, the vehicles are collected and returned. It really is that easy. The contract hire company will do all of the admin, which ensures Dave has time to run his business with his new, great value and prestigious cars. As Dave is VAT registered, he can claim between 50 and 100% of the VAT back. He can also offset some or all of the cost of the rental against tax, depending on the vehicle. The financial liability is not typically shown on company balance sheet. At the end of the contract, Dave simply returns the car, subject to mileage in vehicle condition. No further costs will be charged. Find out more about contract hire by calling us, Leasewell, on 01656 337 337.